Mr. Plumber Man, I got a pipe that needs your hands. Your mushroom is so big and strong, just fix my plumbing all night long. Mario's mushroom makes me feel high. Mario's mushroom plumbing my pipes. Hey, Mr. Plumber Man, I'm asking you to understand. Your mushroom's driving me insane. I just need you to snake my drain. Mario's mushroom makes me feel high. Mario's mushroom plumbing my pipes. Hey, Super Mario, let's see how big your mushroom grows. It's always such a groovy sight, and you really know how to lay some pipe. Fix my pipes, plumber boy.